আসসালামু আলাইকুম বন্ধুরা, সবাইকে নতুন একটি ভিডিওতে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। ওয়েলকাম টু মাই নিউ ভিডিও। হোয়াটস আপ গাইস, লুক হোয়াট আই হ্যাভ টুডে ইন মাই হ্যান্ড। ইটস আ নাইফ, it's a flexible knife, and now I have a handcuff, a police handcuff, realistic handcuff. And now I have an walkie-talkie, a military walkie-talkie. And these are the Superman action series guns and equipment. And this one is a Superman character, more likely a Superman dress. Oh, Superman is flying here and there. Superman character. And I have a binocular. Binocular. Here is a sunglass. Surprising sunglass. Sunglass. And now I have a revolver. Police revolver. Here is Scar assault rifle. Assault rifle. Yay! I have a Spider-Man soft bullet gun. Now I will shoot this bullet through this gun. Wow! I have connected the first shot. Let's try again. Wow! Second one was awesome. Let's try third one. And it's really awesome. So guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.